side here on pipe, but just using the pieces to get the shape of a small course. Remember, this one here is just a small demonstration because the real production stays in Murano Island, where there's our factory that sent to us all of the items that you can see here, as chandeliers, for example, and mirrors, and also other selections of items. For something like this, as you can see, Davide just need 1 or 2 minutes. But sometimes for other bigger sculptures, take also days and weeks of work. So it's not so easy. It seems to